So let's talk about one of the most popular girl bands or girl groups in the Philippines right now. Familiar ka ba sa Bini, Alan?
Since I'm already Gen Z, yes, familiar naman ako.
And of course, we also have here.
Where else?
Of course, we
Ang
also
laki, di ba?
have. Yes,
It's very huge.
it's very big. We're also going to have the Holy Angel University. So like Alan mentioned, what really provides a catalyst for growth in an estate is these developments, the educational, institutional, and commercial.
Yes.
And since we've been here for 10 years, that's one of the most frequent questions we have. When are these components going to be completed? And the good news is we have started, and in the next couple of months, the Ayala company has actually planned a series of activation events that will really bring people into the Alviera estate. So let's talk about one of the most popular girl bands or girl groups in the Philippines right now. Familiar ka ba sa Bini, Alan?
Since I'm already Gen Z, yes, familiar naman ako. So,
Bumili ka ba ng ticket when they sold? They had a sold-out concert.
hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Pero maybe here in Alviera, baka I might consider kasi alam ko they are now in preparation to selling out their tickets, right?
Yes, that's right. Yan ang surprise natin because one of the activation plans for Alviera is by December, BINI will be holding a concert. So that's organized by their talent agency. Baka bawal kasi i-name.
Oo. BINI, baka naman. Sponsor, no?
And that's going to be held dito sa Alviera. There's also going to be a driving range and event ground. So very exciting times ahead this 2024.